Yo, what's up? I'm Coi Leray, and this is everything I eat in one day with Harper Bazaar. Okay, so the first thing I do when I wake up is, well, I'm actually trying to like stop waking up and getting on my phone because it's like toxic. So if I don't get on my phone, I get up, go downstairs, and go straight to the fridge. I love coffee. I love Colombian coffee. I actually like the coffee that's like old school pot vibes versus the K-Cups, because for some reason I feel like it just doesn't have that flavor. I'll drink a K-Cup coffee, but I prefer that. And then my favorite breakfast is potatoes with steak and eggs. So first of all, my eggs gotta be over easy, little runny, yes, salt, pepper, period. And then my potatoes, okay, I'm gonna tell everybody my secret ingredient. So I use Sazon. I use Sazon on everything, okay? So I promise you, if you use Sazon adobo, cilantro, red pepper, green pepper in your potatoes, the best potatoes you will have in your life, okay? I swear. And then of course I get the little chopped up steak and I season it and I cook that. I'm starving. Depending on the day, whether if I'm super busy or I have an off day, I'm still snacking and chewing on something all day. I eat when I'm bored. I'll go to the supermarket and now I'm like baking a cake that I've never baked before ever because I'm just bored and I want to eat and I love to eat. Stuff that I like to snack on. Okay, well, I can't think of that right now because it's just random. But what I can think of is my airport snack. So when I go to the airport, I always get apples and the cheddar cheese. My favorite. And I eat one cheese and I take an apple and I chew it at the same time. You can't eat one like separate. You have to eat them at the same time. One of my favorite snacks is also cucumbers and vinegar. Rice vinegar, excuse me. Don't get the original one though. Get the one that has like the garlic and herb, whatever. Garlic and herb, rice vinegar, cut up cucumbers, put some salt and pepper, let them sit. Oh my God, it's like the best pickle you'll ever taste in your life. So what I typically eat for lunch, it just depends. Growing up, my mom cooked a lot of home cooked meals when it comes to like hot dogs and beans, or she'll make, you know, smothered pork chops with mashed potatoes and gravy and corn. The best fried chicken, you gotta get the little wings, not the big ones, but the little fried chicken wings. From extra crispy, hot sauce on the bread, catfish. Like, I really grew up on a lot of soul food. Here's a trick. So if you always are looking for something to eat, go on Uber Eats and just look at what's in the area and you'll have hundreds of suggestions, even if you don't want to Uber Eats. So a typical dinner for me is, if you're by yourself, you have a dinner. If you're with people, everyone has dinner. You know, if you are with people, you have to figure out on how everyone's gonna eat. So if there's only one piece of steak in the fridge, I'm not gonna be eating steak tonight. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna be ordering something or going to the grocery store to get 20 more steaks. So that's what dinner is like to me. Dinner is like friends, family, good food. I'm eating 24/7, 7 days a week. I will eat, yo, I don't know what be getting into me, but I'll wake up in the middle of my sleep and I'll have like some chips that I was eating before I fell asleep. Like literally take a drink and go right back to sleep. Like, I'm not too hangry because I'm like reasonable. I'll stop at 7-Eleven and go get me, like, I'll eat anything. Like, I'll eat the torquita from 7-Eleven and put hot sauce on it and my stomach will be good for the next couple hours. Like, whatever. Not a toilet, whatever. That's a different situation. An ingredient I absolutely avoid, I hate aftertaste. Like something that's really bitter, like, for example, alcohol. Like drinking a shot of Casamigos with a plain is like, it's like looking at your deathbed. Versus Casamigo with a mixed drink and a little pineapple on the side. And it's like, oh, I love it. I could drink these all the time. Okay, so my favorite food city is definitely New York, because New York has the best pizza, #1. I live in LA now and they have a Joe's Pizza out there. I only eat Joe's Pizza in Cali, okay? I can't eat no other pizza until I find another New York pizza out there. The Chinese food on the East Coast is just A1. I would go to Boston for Peckin House, has the best Chinese food. Has this sauce called lobster sauce. It's brown sauce, it's so good. That's how I like my Chinese food. Homemade house duck sauce. I would also go to Baltimore just because I love crabs. My favorite crabs is the blue crabs. Females to be exact, because the yellow stuff inside. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I can cook anything because I Google a lot. I do a lot of research. I feel like knowledge is everything. YouTube and Google helps me a long way. But however, I am really good at, without no Google, no nothing, surf and turf. I cook a mean steak, mashed potatoes with a lobster tail, butter. Oh my God, so good. Oh. I could also make a good chicken, like chicken and rice. And I use jasmine rice. Never be mushy. My rice is never mushy. My favorite go-to meal, like, is empanada. I would say an empanada or a Jamaican beef patty for sure. Also, too, mango for breakfast. I don't eat it often, so when I do eat mango, I'm not Dominican, I'm Puerto Rican, but, you know, we cousins, and I feel like, you know, just that Dominican breakfast, just, I don't know, it makes me feel like my grandmother. You know, every time I had a Dominican friend who had a grandmother or mother make Spanish dishes, it's just that feeling where it's like, oh my God, like, you know, so I love that. Yep, that's everything I eat in a day. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out my cooking channel, Cooking with Coi Leray, because I have so much great things in store for that. See ya! Yeah!